Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can log into your LastPass account. Well, it is quite easy. All you have to do is make sure that your LastPass is installed on your phone and simply open the application. So if you have previously logged into your LastPass account, your login page will just show like this. But if you have installed it just now, another page will show. All you have to do is keep on swiping left until you see the option of login. And all you have to do is tap on login and your login page will open just like this. So in here, all you have to do is first of all enter your email address of your LastPass account. And from here, simply tap on this master password option right here and then start typing your password of your LastPass account. So after entering your password, all you have to do is simply tap on the option login. So after doing that, here you can see we have now successfully logged into our LastPass account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.